Hello, hello, hello. A very warm welcome to everyone. I hope you are staying home and staying safe. So, everyone is at home, and I thought of making a small tutorial from my side which will spice up your landscape game, changing them from something like this to this. Beautiful, isn't it? And it's all done in Lightroom mobile alone. So, open up your Lightroom app and follow along. So we have our first photo opened here. So the first adjustment we are gonna make is in this light panel. Tune down the exposure to about minus 0.5 ish. Turn the highlights to the absolute minimum. Lift the shadows a bit, around 40 ish. Okay, and turn down the whites to around minus 25. Perfect. And turn down the blacks to minus 50. So let's switch on to the next tab. So for the dark cold greens, we need to tone the temperature down to like minus 10. Minus 10 will be fine. And tune the tint up to like plus 5. Turn the vibrance up to 20 and turn the saturation down to minus 20. Right? So first we're gonna start off with the red. Turn the red hue to minus 100, saturation to minus 25 or 26, luminance to plus 100. Yep. And switch on to the next tab, that is the orange tab. This color won't make any difference with the green, so it's about like minus 4 and minus 4 for the hue and minus 27 for the saturation. It won't make any difference at all. So let's move on to the next color. So for greens, the main two colors are yellow and green. These are the main. So for yellow, you need to pull up all the way to 100 and turn the saturation down to about minus 63 to 5 and luminance to plus 40ish. Then shift on to the green. Turn the hue to plus 36 and the saturation to minus 26 and the luminance to plus 35 to 40ish. I'll keep it on 38 maybe. The aqua is like around 36 maybe, 35, 36. The saturation is about minus 26 or 27 and the luminance is about plus 38. For the blue tab, we're gonna pull the hue to about plus 40. And these two won't make much of a difference, so we'll quit and go to effects. Hue will be like 155, 156 and saturation about 30 to 31, and shadows hue is about 192 maybe, 191, 192 and saturation around 20. So it's looking a lot different now. So we'll go to the clarity tab. Turn the clarity up to about 30, dehaze to about 12, vignette it to a minus 20, midpoint is plus 70, feather it to plus 70, midpoint is about 35 and feather is about 70, and turn the highlights to the maximum. So we're gonna shift to the detail tab, triangle tab here. For the saturation, I'll put plus. For the sharpening, I'll put plus 90. Yeah, super sharp. Radius to around 1, detail 25, noise reduction to about plus 25. Yup, and all the things are saved. And add a small S curve and fade the blacks. So there you go, you have your before and after, your dark moody greens. So let's try this on the other photos as well. Yep. Copy these. This is a very cool looking look. So let's paste the settings here. Oh, and look at the change. Look how beautiful it is now. So you can dial up or down the exposure according to your taste. But look at the colors. So let's paste the settings on this as well. And look at the magic. So the only change I'll make here is dial the exposure up and maybe like put the temperature to 0, and there you go, before and after. So thank you for sticking with me till the end. Hope you all like the tutorial. And by the way, all the photos here are jpegs, so you need not worry about using raw photos and purchasing the pro version of Lightroom. Drop a like if you liked the video, comment below if you loved it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and other cinematic content.